Today's work environment is changing rapidly, with many companies adopting a more flexible approach in the workplace. The ability to work anywhere, anytime, from any device removes workflow roadblocks, increases productivity and engagement without compromise. As noted in the article, Flexibility: Transforming the Future of Work, 80% of office professionals whose company has a flexible work environment report their company has experienced positive outcomes from the model. Citrix Systems offers products and support to businesses through information system solutions, unifying all apps, data, and services in the cloud through a secure digital workspace, complete with powerful insight from advanced analytics. The benefits associated with the cloud structure affecting end users, businesses, and IT admins are huge. For end users, before the cloud, workers were constrained to working at their physical workstation on the company's network. Today, as we move towards an IT environment, the cloud ensures that workers always have the same level of access to apps whenever and wherever they are. Beyond personal convenience, cloud-based apps revolutionize the way businesses can cross-team and collaborate among workers. One way the cloud creates more flexibility in the workplace is by allowing sick employees to work while resting at home. As suggested in the article, office professionals from companies not using cloud-based apps believe that their company would increase efficiency by 43%, improve accuracy, product quality, and creativity by 17% consecutively as well. The level of flexibility given by the cloud has made the lives of IT admins a lot easier. Cloud-based apps are now constantly refreshed with new features, as opposed to back in the day when software releases would come out every year or two, requiring IT admins to independently test each release for all devices and systems in the organization. In turn, the frequency and nature of support desk calls have decreased dramatically, allowing IT admins to focus more on teaching users how to use the cloud and how to make the best use of it. All these reasons show how Citrix Systems helps businesses stay competitive by increasing engagement and productivity among workers. Citrix's new CEO, David J. Henishall, discusses in his interview about the challenges the firm faces by its implementation of the cloud. As he goes on to say, our cloud transformation is really a transformation of every part of our business. It's a shift to an entire new business model. The challenge, he says, balancing the fast growth of customers who want the cloud and those who will still need more time to integrate by using a hybrid model. We as a team believe that in order for Citrix to maintain its competitive advantage, it must invest more capital to research and development in the cloud services and products. To further sustain growth, the company must make their products and services more easy to sell, as we see the majority of businesses are moving towards a more virtual workspace. Citrix must make their products and services more user-friendly and simple to use. The advantages of choosing this strategy include increased long-term growth in market share, revenues from sales, and customer satisfaction. The potential disadvantages would be that this approach requires a large amount of capital investment, which could potentially reduce short-term profit margin. In addition, this approach could limit the amount of resources the firm has to pursue new markets to tap into. In order to implement this strategy, Citrix must continue its acquisition tactics to further build its cloud capabilities and reduce limitations. One of them being lack in support and integration for Linux, Mac OS, and iOS apps and products. For the firm to increase its market share, it needs to make its cloud products and services less Windows-centric, which would create an opportunity for new possible customers. Choosing this strategy over increasing joint ventures with Microsoft can be seen as more costly, although in the long term it will allow Citrix to grow more independently and differentiate itself in the global marketplace.